how to fix Steam stopping and starting download errors. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam stopping and starting download error. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our Steam app. Once you're here, you need to head over to the top right corner and then you need to click on Steam. From here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Settings. Now that you are here, you need to scroll down and find the Downloads option. Then you need to scroll down further and from here you need to click on Clear Cache. Once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and click on Confirm. But before you do that, make sure that you know your username and password, and then you need to simply click on Confirm. Now, as you can see that I'm logged out from my Steam app, you need to simply go ahead and log in again. Now, this might help you resolve the issue. If it does not, we need to move on to the next solution. For the next solution, you need to right click on the taskbar and then you need to go to Task Manager. From here, once you are here, you need to simply go ahead and search for Steam, and once you find that, you right click on it, and from here you can see an option that says End Tasks. Go ahead and click on that, and this might somehow help you resolve the issue. That's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.